Hi all, welcome to AI Doc YouTube channel. And for today's AI Day number 116, I will try to understand Kiwi K2. There is new model arrived, which is I think from China, and it's making round. So let's try to understand more about Kiwi K2, and same time I will try to have hands on that model as well. So let's go. So Kimi, yeah, sorry for that. Kimi K2 is actual model name. So let's try to understand. Kimi K2 is latest mixture of expert model with 32 billion activated parameters and 1 trillion total parameters. It achieves state of the art performance, frontier knowledge, maths, and coding among non thinking models. Okay, among non thinking models, but it goes further. Now, if we move, so they have open source this Kimi K2 base model and Kimi K2 instruct. Kimi K2 is base is foundation model, strong start of researchers and builders who want full control for fine tuning and custom solutions. Kimi K2 instruct the post-trained model based for drop-in general purpose chat and agentic experience. It is reflex grade model without long thinking. So I think it is light version and it is full version. With Kimi K2 advanced agentic intelligence is more open and accessible than ever. We can't wait for the thing. And here is the chart for uh, like uh, comparison for agentic and competitive coding Kimi K2. So it's more than OpenAI and DeepSeek as well, Quen. So these three or models are from China, and we can say that Kimi K2 is instruct model is second to Anthropic. So bench verified multilingual, so we can see the benchmark. Maths and STEAM. So here they have provided some example using 20 to 25 salary data, test the effect of remote work ratio on salary and determine whether this effect differs significantly across experience level, that is whether interaction effect exceeds uh, support your analysis with statistical evidence and rich visualization views consistent harmonious color palette, example pastel muted across all plots. So here full task is provided for salary data analysis, and to begin with loaded data set. So we can see all data like task it has created for itself. Seems detailed, deep research it gone through. Then web page is created using HTML to show statistical process and conclusion using attractive color scheme. Embedded all the previously generated images. Additionally, include simulator where I can enter my personal detail to get my recommendation on whether I should choose remote work. So, okay. I think for today's session, I will go through these user cases to understand more. Looks very interesting, and uh, it, for open source with those details are like good opportunity for to learn and use this open source platform or tools instead of going for uh, subscriber base or paid AI tools. So let's check result. Okay, it's very interactive. Rem- Remote work salary impact 20-25 entry level, senior executive, mid, expert, entry, remote ratio, top countries where those opportunities are available. Okay, we can check the whole website. This is a good one. We can't open this visualization separately. There is though if you want like those labels are very small, so it could have been better if we open those as pop-up so we can have more clearly look into it. Remote category, practical implication, methodology summary, key takeaways. Choose remote work for your salary premium. For entry level, mid level, avoid full remote work due to penalty. Okay. Consider hybrid arrangements. For senior level, remote work neutral. Focus on other factors. Mid level employees face largest remote penalties. Entry level works, entry or expert level may benefit from remote. Compensation strategy should be experience specific. Okay, so overall this output is very good. So there is no extra additional text provided. The visualization is self-explanatory. So this visual only thing is that these visualizations are not showing as pop-up, so that could have been updated later. Imagine using Kim K2 to explore remote work salaries with salary data analysis, sample whether 16 Python calls generate stats, visualization, uh, and interactive web pages of interact dive into NLP category. Get Kimi K2 to generate an interactive site building through 5 web searches. Okay, 4 browsing, 3 clicks, 5 scrolls, 6 edit, and 2 deployments. Okay, so we can do this with this example. I think they have it generated with this example for chat. Or plan your dream Coldplay tour 2025 in London with King to crafted plan for 17. Seamless tools, calls, spanning search, calendar, Gmail, flight. Okay, there should be example for that. Task create interactive for standard NLP lab academy genealogy. Please complete the following comprehensive task: deep information collection and research, core data. So in whenever you give this kind of task complex tasks to any AI bot, make sure that a detail should be provided as a role play kind of thing to AI, so it can have like related information before it actually starts with a task. So in that case, there is no extra or no unnecessary edits required after it provide outputs. The whole prompt is very big. Website for stand for NLP Lab Academy. Please complete the. Okay, I will go through directly. Is there any follow prompt provided? No. It is so in detail that there was no follow-up required. So let's say result. Simple web page created. Okay. So we can directly scroll down for, okay. We can see that charts updated. Okay. So 3D view, 2D view. Mm, okay, academia, color code, industry, professor. This so over the years, how that like how the progress is done, we can see here. For each every year, we can see professor and PhD students related to that. Uh, for pink is it's related to industry, and for light green is for academia. So those details we can see. For this university, Stanford University, and data analysis. Okay. We can select Christopher. Okay, when we type, there is already pattern we can see. So we can see that details. Three PhD students collect. If we don't select any search, all professors details we can see here. There is some glitch, but overall output is very good. Then let's go for example 3. Uh, Meanwhile, I will try to check on YouTube for if there is any uh, their official channel is available. Okay. Here must have something social media. Many uh, like vloggers already covered this topic. I am just trying to understand for myself, but it seems there is no official YouTube channel for from them. So we will try to check this only as of now. I need to attend Coldplay meeting, Coldplay 2025 tour. I will be departing from London. Please find the most suitable concert for me. Confirm my calendar availability and then arrange all tickets, purchasing, transportation, accommodation, scheduling, etc. Finally, arrange the calendar and please send a complete visualized planning report to that particular email. So it's like end-to-end activity from searching till arranging and whole plan for Coldplay 2025 tour in London. So it asks for more details. Which cities location would you prefer for conference? Do you have the specific date preference? Which is required for planning? Then those details are provided. That's it. It seems very super heavy. So let's see what is the result. It created actually HTML page, journey route, then for complete return Toronto, from Toronto, July 12, July 11, $5,000 dollar, Canadian dollar, flight details, accommodation, weather forecast, find where you can stay for dining. Then in Boston, uh, same details like flight, accommodation, find dining, weather forecast, activities. So if you are planner and if you have like list of all details, then with this models you can create all details and send this kind of visualization, which is very informative and helpful. So instead of having all the text, so it seems it is good with providing exact details, removing unwanted text, unnecessary uh, uh, like text or words it's remove that and give minimal kind of approach to output. Then August 30, 3 night July 12 to 15. Then in London, accommodation, interactive route map, concert start date. So all these tours, concerts are mentioned here. Route, open street map, okay. Essential packing guide, budget breakdown. Okay. JavaScript Minecraft. So this is new user case. Write a web version of 3D Minecraft, and the result is this one. For clarity, the terminal displays only summary of each trajectory. In every example, Kimi K2 orchestrates multiple tools, commands behind the scene of complex objective. K2 can automate Minecraft development in JavaScript. It manages rendering for pre-post norm analysis. K2 use weight and bias, weight and biases data readers to extract. Okay. Then for weight, I want to see. For MSAI atom dev, please analyze the runs whose config model norms pose is pre or post and get the target tagged as no future norm. Okay. So that analysis they have done in their terminal. I think third is for Flask related example, a Rust Flask. Make a tested Rust version of Flask. Rust Flask performance, Python Flask performance gain. Okay. So those output created in terminal console. So what I feel this evaluation or whatever they any new tool or whenever there is a new model arrive, when they mention about the evaluation result or try to compare with other tools, they mostly select only parts which are which shows their tools at higher level or second to or third to other tools. So for like getting highlight. So this what for me what is important is user case, what they can do instead of the comparing with other models. So what is the user usability for those different parameters they have, that is more important. So I am not going through each and every detail. So but for both models they have provided benchmarking. So these three models are open source, and these are proprietary level paid plans required. Okay. Open agentic intelligence pre-training is the crucial training. Okay. The more token you use, there is a less loss. Large scale agentic data synthesis, goal, domain, evolve tools, MCP tools, agents, filter data judge, environment tool simulator. Okay. So we also have API for this model. They also have repository. The Kimi platform offers open Anthropic compatible interface aligned with. We encourage developers to explore our tool calling API for building agent application for detailed simple. So there is separate API related platform available. First, let's this is their GitHub repository for Kimi K2. 4,800 stars. Same information provided here which we have seen earlier without user cases. Is there anything I missed or okay, so we have checked this one. What's next? While communicators are a strong foundation for open agentic intelligence, a general agent uses more advanced capabilities such as thinking and visual understanding. We plan to add this to Kimi K2 in the future. Okay. In our internal test, we have identified some limitation in our current Kimi K2 models when dealing with hard reasoning tasks and or unclear tool definition. The model may generate excessive tokens, sometimes leading to truncated outputs, incomplete tools call. Additionally, performance may decline on when building complete software projects. One shot prompting kills performance degradation compared to using K2 under agentic framework. We are working to okay. So I was looking for any like hallucination kind of thing related reference which they haven't provided, but it seems they have provided in general limitations, uh, genuine limitation from their side. We have seen this repository and okay, so here they have API related. You can use API as well. You can create API key in their console. Okay, first let's try to understand their website. First let's try to understand their website. Tools, then models. Okay, this looks pretty basic, simple UI. Actually, whenever there is a new model, new AI comes in market, during that time the UI looks very simple, but after sometimes when they add more features to it, it's started looks very messy kind of thing. But there are features we can use actually. So uh, as of now it seems very look simple, but what we have seen, uh, like from their details, there are more tasks it can do, and they have more features are available with simple prompt. Okay, so let's log in. Okay, can hide chat this part. We have this we can attach file, common phrase. Okay. 5 sessions are available for researcher with researcher mode, and tools are available. Okay, K2 model not support uh, thinking model. Okay, and Moonshot AI, which is from their platform for console. Okay, I think it is simply their uh, generate API and track if there is any billing required for token. So communicate. I wanted to see introductory video kind of thing from Kimi K2. Which wherever we can say that everyone is praising Kimi K2. Uh, okay, so there is no official. Okay, let's start with that only. Array, okay. it's not it seems that channel is not available in India. Moonlight AI. Okay, let's try to this one. Moonshot AI. Okay, here is the from their parent portal where all the latest models we can see here or details. Chat with experience Kimi open platform. This is something we already seen. Okay, so I think I will stop here for today's session. Let's meet tomorrow with actual hands-on for Kimi K2, and meanwhile I will try to also get a few user cases how it actually works. Then we will do the uh, hands-on learning as well. So thank you for today. Let's meet next time in next session for Kimi K2. Thank you.